Hello guys, it's me, Sir Dan Apostol. In this video, we are going to discuss the law of cosines. So bago natin pag-aralan to, I hope na meron na kayong prior knowledge about law of sines para mas madali nating maintindihan ang ating lesson. So hindi lahat ng triangle kayang isolve ng law of sine. What if the given triangles are this? So meron tayo ditong triangle ABC and yung given values ay angle and side C and side B. Kung mapansin natin na hindi or walang kapares yung angle A natin, walang value yung A. And wala ring value yung mga angles natin na angle B and angle C. So hindi natin pwedeng gamitin yung law of sine dito. So this is side angle side, yung angle ay included sa dalawang sides. And another triangle, yung given ay mga sides. So this is side side side. Hindi rin natin pwedeng gamitin yung law of sine because we don't have the values for the interior angles. So para masolve tong triangles na ganito yung mga given, we are going to use the law of cosines. Tandaan lang natin itong mga formulas na to para madali natin masolve yung triangles na given ay side angle side or side side side. So c squared is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cosine c. So madali lang siyang tandaan. Tandaan natin na pag yung c yung una natin, no, angle c rin yung nandito sa dulo. And yung pagkasunod-sunod nito, yung ab, yung minus 2ab natin, ito, 2ab. So yun rin yung pagkakasunod-sunod nung ab. So 2ab cosine c. Madali lang siyang tandaan. And we can use also this one. A square, so kung a yan, therefore angle a yun nandito sa dulo. And b square plus c square, so bc, kaya minus 2bc cosine a. And also we can use this one. B square is equal to a square plus c square minus 2ac cosine b. Now, pwede natin gamitin itong tatlong to depende sa given values. Now, let us apply this law of cosines in solving triangles. Example number 1. Find the missing parts of the triangle. Given side B which is 1, side C which is 3, and angle A which is 80 degrees. So this is side angle side. Then find side A, angle B, and angle C. So ang gagamitin natin formula in able to solve for side A is a square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cosine A. Mas madali nating mahanap yung side A dito if etong formula na to ang gagamitin natin. Then substitute the values. So a square is equal to b is 1, so 1 square, plus c is 3, so 3 square, minus 2 times 1 times 3 cosine 80 degrees. Then simplifying, so a square is equal to 1 plus 9, kasi 3 square is 9, minus 2 times 1 times 3, that is 6. And the value of cosine 80 is 0.1736. Then 1 plus 9 is 10, and 6 times 0.1736 is 1.0416. Kaya 10 minus 1.0416. Then a squared is equal to 8.9584. Para makuha yung a, square root of both sides, so that is a is equal to 2.99. So yung value ng a natin is 2.99. Nakuha na natin yung side A. Let's now find side or angle B. Since may value na tayong side A and may angle tayo dito na A, meron na siyang kaparehas. And may given tayo na B, so we can find this angle B by using law of sine. So gagamitan na natin siya ng law of sine. So ang proportion natin ay A over sin A is equal to B over sin B. since ang kompleto nating value ay yung proportion ng A. So, substitute. A is 2.99 over sine 80 degrees is equal to B is 1 over sine B kasi hahanapin yung angle B. Then cross multiply. So, sine B times 2.99, that is 2.99 sine B, is equal to sine 80 times 1, that is sine 80. Then para makuha yung sine B, divide both side by 2.99. So cancel to. That is sine B is equal to sine 80 over 2.99. Then pag kinalculate natin to sa calculator, ang kakalabasan niya ay 0.3294. Then to solve for angle B, pindutin natin sa calculator, shift, or kunin natin yung inverse ng sine, which is arcsine or sine raised to negative 1. Then, type 0.3294. So, ang magiging value ng angle B ay 19.23 degrees. Nakuha na natin yung angle B, which is 19.23 degrees. Now, let us find angle C. So since may dalawa na tayong value na angle, we can solve this by adding the interior angles. So angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Substitute natin, so that is 80 degrees plus 19.23 degrees plus C is equal to 180. Then, combine like terms, lipat natin yung mga constant. So that is C is equal to 180 minus 80 degrees minus 19.23 degrees. And the value of angle C is 80.77 degrees. So nakuha na natin yung missing parts of the triangle. Next is example number 2. Find the missing parts of the triangle. So given side A which is 7, side B which is 8, side C which is 9. So this is side, side, side. So let us find angle A, angle B, and angle C. So to solve for angle A, gagamitin nating formula ay A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2BC cosine A. Then substitute the given. So we have 7 square 8 is equal to 8 square plus 9 square minus 2 times 8 times 9 cosine A. Then simplifying, so that is 7 square is 49 is equal to 8 square is 64 plus 9 square is 81 minus 2 times 8 times 9, that is 144 cosine A. Then transpose natin yung mga constant. So that is 49 minus 64 minus 81 is equal to negative 144 cosine A. Now baka malito kayo, yung negative 144 or minus 144 ay numerical coefficient ng cosine A, kaya hindi natin siya kasama na tinranspose sa kabilang side of the equation. So 49 minus 64 minus 81, that is negative 96, is equal to negative 144 cosine A. Then to solve for cosine A, divide both side by negative 144. So ang magiging value natin is negative 96 over negative 144 is equal to cosine A. Then divide natin to. So ang magiging value ay cosine A is equal to 0.6667. Then to solve for angle A, again, kunin natin yung inverse ng cosine. So that is cosine raised to negative 1 or shift cosine sa other calculator second function times or i-type natin yung 0.6667. Then ang magiging value ng angle A natin ay 48.19 degrees. So meron na tayong angle A, let us now find angle B. Since meron na tayong angle A, may kapares na yung ating side A. So pwede na nating gamitan to ng law of sine. So para makuha tong angle B, since meron ring value yung side B, ang gagamitin nating proportion ay A over sine A is equal to B over sine B para makuha yung angle B. Then substitute the values. So we have 7, yung A, over sine, angle A is 48.19 degrees, is equal to B is 8 and over sine B. Then cross multiply, sine B times 7, that is 7 sine B, is equal to 8 times sine 48.19 degrees, so that is 8 sine 48.19. Then para makuha yung sine B, divide both side by 7. So cancel to, ang matitira ay sine B is equal to 8 sine 48.19 over 7. Then calculate natin sa calculator, ang magiging value nito ay 0.8518. Then again, to solve for angle B, kunin natin yung inverse ng sine. So that is sine raised to negative 1 or arc sine. Then type natin itong 0.8518. Ang magiging value na ngayon ng ating angle B ay 58.41 degrees. So nakuha na natin yung angle B, which is 58.41 degrees. Meron na tayong dalawang angles, so hindi na natin pahihirapan pang kunin yung angle C. So i-add lang natin yung interior angles. Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180. Then yung angle A natin is 48.19 degrees. Then angle B is 58.41 degrees. Then plus C is equal to 180. Then transpose natin yung constant. So C is equal to 180 minus 48.19 degrees minus 58.41 degrees. So ang magiging value ngayon ng ating angle C ay 73.4 degrees. Nakuha na natin lahat ng missing parts of the triangle. So again, hindi lahat ng triangle kayang makuha yung parts by using law of sines. So pag meron tayong mga gantong na-encounter na problem, gagamitan lang natin siya ng law of cosines. Then, kung makuha na natin yung isang angle or isang side, then meron na siyang kaparehas sa ratio or sa proportion natin, we can use the law of sine para mas mapadali natin yung pagkuha ng missing parts of the triangle. I hope nakatulong tong video na to for you to understand the law of cosines. Thank you for watching this video and see you on our next upload. God bless to all of you.